Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize, scroll down and select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me, not all of them are selected, and you can also see that some of them are grayed out and not selected. And if I try to, it gives me the pop-up that contact already exists in your list, as these contacts exist on the Google account that the device tries to import contacts to by default. Now, if I change it to, for instance, import contacts to the device, you'll see that all the contacts now become checked on, and I can import all of them. Now, if you don't have any kind of Google account signed in on the device, you might not see the Save To option at all. So if you don't worry, that's normal. Now, you can obviously deselect contacts that you don't want. Once you've done so, select Import, and this will import all the selected contacts to your specified location. So now, because I decided to import the contacts to the device, I will need to click right here where I have this H, and I can then select the device, which isn't showing here for some reason. Pretty sure I imported it to the device. Let's try that again, I guess. Yep. So not sure what is actually happening here. By default, you should have the option once you import the contacts to select device, which would be the secondary option. I'm going to close this and reopen it with the hopes that it's going to fix itself, but it didn't. So yeah, anyway, you should have the contacts visible, but don't know. Nubia has got something screwed up, so you don't, or at least I don't. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.